In this video, we will explore the sign up button, okay? In the previous video, what we did, we explored this on login screen, okay? We saw how to log in. But now, what we want to do, we want to also explore this sign up, okay? And as you can see, the sign up is pretty similar to the login, except for the fact that here we have more fields, okay? Because here we want to sign up our user, okay? And in order to sign up our user, what we need his full name, we need an email address, and we also need his password, okay? And here on this sign up screen, we also have a validation. So if we tap on this sign up, as you can see, the validation will start with this name, okay? As you can see here, we have name should be at least 3 characters long, okay? So let us fix this. And for the name here, here we want to say Smart, okay? So here our name is valid. Now the validation should start with this email. So if we type again on this sign up, as you can see, invalid email format. So if we tap on this OK, and here we want to provide a valid email, so it's gonna to be mark@me.com or .ca. Okay, now we have a valid email. So now the error should be on this password. So let's check it out. If I tap on this sign up, as you can see, we have the similar validation error about the password, okay? Because for a password, we need at least a lowercase, uppercase, 1 digit, 1 special character, and it should also be between 8 to 16 characters, okay? So if we tap on this OK, and here for our password, what we want to provide a valid password. So for us, it's gonna to be password 123 dot plus, okay? And of course we can toggle this if in case we want to see our password, okay? So it's password, and here I forgot one S, so let me fix this. So here is gonna to be password double S 123 at plus, okay? And for the confirm password, we want to also insert the same password, okay? Because right now if we tap on this sign up, as you can see, we will have passwords don't match, okay? Because we have to provide the same password here. So let's go ahead and tap the same one. So it's gonna to be password 123 at plus, okay? So if I toggle this, and just to play with this one, what we can do, we can remove this plus and see if we still get the validation error. So if we tap again on this sign up, as you can see, we still have this validation error, password do not match, okay? Because here we didn't add this plus, so let's go ahead and add it. And now normally this validation should pass, and we are supposed to be stuck here, okay? So let's hit on this sign up. And as you can see, we have a different error message, okay? Please accept our terms or condition, okay? Because in order to create a new account, the user has to accept this, okay? So if we check this, normally, since everything is okay, when we hit on this sign up, it's supposed to go to Firebase and create a new user, okay? So let me just take this Firebase project, okay? And if I refresh this, as you can see, we only have this user Tony, okay? Let me refresh again to show you guys that I'm telling you the truth. So as you can see, we only have this Tony, okay? So what we want to do, we want to take our app, and now if we hit on this sign up, it will create a new user for us, okay? So if we come here and we refresh, as you can see, it created this new user, mark@me.ca, okay? And here, of course, we can hit on this sign out, and as you can see, it will sign us out of the app, okay? So guys, get excited for this. As I said, in this series of videos, we will see step by step how to accomplish this result, okay? So take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.